Hey, what's up, everybody? We're back again. Today, simple swap, I guess you could say, upgrade. But I'm going to be taking these off and swapping them with the Mighty Max. I have upgraded these tires. The rims are factory Mitsubishi, but these are 31 by 10.5 inch tires. So, swap it out, make this one look better, because she'll be looking beefy. Look a little tougher. Those tires I think are too small. So let's get it done. I'll try and take pictures. Hopefully I know how to edit them in. That way you can see the before and after. So these are the before pictures. Factory tires right there. I believe they are considered 29-inch tires. 235/75 on 15-inch rims. And this is the after. 31.5 tires, 10.5 inch on 15-inch rims. And I have no issues with the turning. So far, rides good. I don't really feel any power loss. If you upgrade to 33-inch and you have the factory front bumper, you will start to rub right there. Mine is obviously not factory, so I think I can probably do it safely, unless there's an issue when I'm taking it off road and it rubs right there. But for now, I'm cool with this. I think it looks good like that. I don't really feel any kind of power loss and no issues in rubbing when I do a full U-turn. I'm cool with that. So pretty soon the next mod, once they all come in, it's going to be the headlights. 7-inch sealed beam LEDs that I bought on Amazon, and also 7-inch HIDs. They were a lot more expensive than the LEDs, so you guys can make up your own mind on what you want. The HIDs on this one are beautiful. I love the light and the pattern, so I wanted them on this one also. But I got both. Got a little 2-click happy. And yeah, subscribe if you guys want to update on that. And hopefully I get them soon so I can do it. I'll also be painting these grills, or at least dyeing them black. I believe it's a dye that I have. And that way it matches with the newer paint. You guys have a good one. Happy New Year. And don't forget to subscribe.